smart people anywhere, good people, believers anywhere. So currently we talk about students, student or teachers. So I will give you uh, opinions or quotes based on Albert Einstein. He said a student is not a container. You have to fill, but touch you have to light. Okay, I repeat again. A student is not a container you have to feel, but a touch you have to light. So in bahasa I translate ya, seorang siswa bukanlah sebuah kontainer yang harus diisi, tapi sebuah center yang harus dinyalakan. Okay, so complete title is Nurturing Minds, illuminating the paths of education as lighting torch, not filling containers. So I will dive into the quotes details. Okay, in the realm of educations, there exists a profound shift in perspective that is often overlooked amidst traditional notions of instructions and learning. So it's the transformations of the students from a passive receptacle waiting to be filled with knowledge into an active participant whose potential is ignited like a torch, illuminating the paths of discovery and enlightenment. So this sentiment attributed to the philosophers Plutarch encapsulates the essence of education as a journey of empowerment, illumination, and self-discovery. So at the heart of this concept lies the recognition that education is not simply about imparting information or memorizing facts, but about igniting the flame of curiosity, critical thinking, and lifelong learning. Rather than treating students as empty vessels waiting to be filled with knowledge, educators are called upon to serve as facilitators, guides, and mentors, nurturing the innate potential of each individual and fostering a love of learning and transcends the boundaries of the classrooms. So the metaphor of the torch evokes a sense of empowerment and agency, suggesting that students possess within them a spark of potential waiting to be kindled, like a torch illuminating the darkness. Education has the power to illuminate minds, ignites patience, and inspires greatness. So it is through the process of inquiry, exploration, and discovery that students uncover their unique talents, interests, and aspirations, setting ablaze the paths to a future filled with possibility and promise. So, moreover, viewing students as torches to be lit up rather than containers to be filled shift the focus from passive consumption to active engagement. And it encourages students to take ownership of their learning, to ask questions, seek answers, and think critically about the world around them. In doing so, education becomes not just a means to an end, but a journey of self-discovery and personal growth, empowering students to become lifelong learners and agents of change in their communities and beyond. Furthermore, the metaphor of the torch emphasizes the role of educators as torch bearers, entrusted with the sacred duty of igniting the flames of knowledge and curiosity in the hearts and minds of their students. Just a torch bearer lights the way for the others to follow. Educators have the power to inspire, motivate, and empower the next generation of leaders, thinkers, and innovators. So, it is through their passion, dedications, and commitment to excellence that students are inspired to reach their full potential and make a positive impact on the world. In today's rapidly changing world, where the pace of technological innovation and globalization is reshaping the landscape of education, the need to view students as torches to be lit up has never been more pressing. So, as we navigate the complexities of 21st century, students require more than just memorization of facts and figures. They need the skill, knowledge, and mindset to adapt, innovate, and thrive in an increasingly interconnected and unpredictable worlds. Moreover, embracing this paradigm shift in education is not just a matter of pedagogy, but a moral imperative. And in a world grappling with pressing challenges such as climate change, social inequality, and political polarization, the need for enlightened minds and compassionate hearts has never been greater. And by nurturing students as torches of knowledge, wisdom, and empathy, we equip them with the tools and values to become agents of positive change and stewards of a more just, equitable, and sustainable future. So, the conclusions about the metaphor of student as a torch to be lit up serve a powerful reminder of transformative power of education, and by shifting our focus from filling containers to lighting torches, we empower students to become active participants in their own learning, to discover their passions and purpose, and to make a meaningful difference in the world. As educators, mentors, and torch bearers, it's our collective responsibility to ignite the flames of knowledge, curiosity, and compassion in the hearts and minds of our students, illuminating the paths to a brighter future for all. So, smart people, we refer students or teachers, help you all aware about the quote of Einstein, where a student is not a container you have to fill, but a touch you have to light, you have to lit up. Yeah. So, students must be remind the teacher, and teacher remind the student to be better generations in the future. So, how this content can inspire teachers, students anywhere to be greater generations, especially in Indonesia, who needs revolution in education. I think that's all. Thanks for you watching. Thanks for you subscribing my channels. Have a nice life, have a nice afterlife based on Islamic teachings. See you. Thanks once more. See you. Bye bye.